Hello, here is how you can create your vendor account on FYIRWA Trading platform. The first thing, you go to your browser and search FYIRWA Trading. This will give you so many options of links. So you click on the first link that will direct you to the home page. Here is the benefit of having vendor account on FYIRWA Trading platform. The first thing is that it enables you to list your products and services, gain valuable insight on your products performance, and be exposed to the customers across the region and more. So from here on the home page, you go to become supplier and you click. This will open a new tab. So from there you will start with your registration. You fill the information. The first thing is username. For example, let me say Sam. Email address, I can use info@FYIRWATrading.com. So here you will have to insert verification code. So the verification code, you will check your email for verification code. So if you don't get email, you wait for a short time so that you can put your code there. So I got my verification code 550577, and you continue your registration by entering your first name and last name. For example, and say Sam. And here you will have to put your store name. The store name is the same as your company name or any other business name. Here you will put your business name, which the customer will see when they visit your product or when they visit your homepage. So here I'm putting, for example, Suppliers. Suppliers, and you will have to make sure it turns in green so that there is no one who has the same name as you. So here you will have to put the name that doesn't exist on our platform. So here you will put the address as the address. For example, and say Kigali, Rwanda, and address 2 is not necessary. The next you will choose your home country, where your store are located. So this will help us while maintaining shipping and delivery services. So when for each product it has the same shipping procedures. So this will be helpful when customer is visiting your profile and see where the products are coming from. So you have to put your store country where it is located. And the next is a city or town. Here I'm choose Kigali, state, Kigali city, and zip code. When you have a zip code, you have to put it there. But for Rwandan, we don't have any zip code, so you will put 000 store phone number. So then put the FYIRWA phone number with country code. So here you will have to upload your company registration certificate. But if you don't have it yet, you can do it during verification. So as we do a KYC, during a KYC you can upload that company registration certificate. So another step is you to choose your product categories. For example, if you are selling construction materials, so the product category will be construction materials and other related categories. So let me choose, for example, maybe I am a wholesaler. The products are buy in bulk. So here, after let me choose wholesaler, wholesaler, repair, and you can choose even logistic and freight services, so that when customers see your services, they can inquire to it. Construction services, electrical materials, mechanical equipment, construction tools, and more. So you have to choose from different product categories. There are a long list, and when you see your product category is not listed, you can say other. So, and you also have to select business category, your business category, your company category, what you are specialized in. So, for example, your company category is does a wholesaler, or is a manufacturing company, or is you are supplier, you are in logistics, you are in real estate, or you are in others, so which is not listed there. So, and also from here you will choose a strong password. So type mine here. So here, let me choose the one I will remember, so that we can. And also you have to confirm the password. So you have to make sure it is low, strong. So you have to combine letters and numbers and the symbols, so that it can be more strong. So and also you have to agree to the terms and conditions. So you have to read terms and conditions, so that you know what you are going to do with your vendor account, so that there will be no penalties regarding your mismanagement of your account. So you have to agree for you to continue and click register. So after registering, you will continue the process. So here you have submitted your vendor account request, and it will be reviewed. So after review, you will see another progress, like choosing your subscription plan and more. So thank you for watching, and I hope to see you creating your vendor account, and you can explore more on our platform and get to know, and there's frequent asked questions, and once you need more help, you can contact us. You can contact our support, you can email us, you can call us, or visit our headquarters. So thank you once again, and hope to see you in next video explaining how to choose vendor subscription plan. Thank you.